हॅलो.
सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना नम्र विनंती आहे की आपले माईक आणि कॅमेरा सध्या बंद ठेवा. मी ज्या वेळेला सांगणार आहे त्या वेळेला आपण माईक सुरू करावा. आता सध्या माईक बंद ठेवावा. बारा वाजताचा आपला वेबिनार आहे. आता 11:55 झालेले आहेत. बरेच जण YouTube वरती सुद्धा लाईव्ह हा बघतायत, कारण गुगलची लिंक आपण सगळ्यांना दिलेली नाहीये. तर बरेच जण YouTube वरती सुद्धा आहेत. तर आपण 12:05 प्रोग्राम सुरू करू. वी विल स्टार्ट द प्रोग्राम ॲट 12:05 PM. थँक्यू.
आदेश सुरू आहे ना.
Suresh, can you active this YouTube link? YouTube link is not activated yet. I am on other device. I am on YouTube. Can you please activate YouTube? आनंद जी.
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग आदाते सर. नमस्कार. नमस्कार.
Yes, the live is going on. Yes, the live is going on.
हा येस. आवाज व्यवस्थित आहे ना सर? तुमचा नाही आवाज येते. आदाते सर तुमचा आवाज नाही आहे. Suresh ji, can you activate the YouTube link? YouTube link is not yet activated.
Sadji, YouTube is live only. You just check. I have just made a YouTube live.
हाँ सर, आवाज येतोय का?
हाँ
आवाज येतोय का सर?
हाँ आता आला एकदम परफेक्ट. एकदम
ओके. हाँ हाँ.
Live is. No, it has done. Check. Let's check. YouTube is on live now.
ओके. पूनम जी नमस्कार.
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Nice to see everyone.
नमस्कार.
हो नमस्कार.
सर.
YouTube is live now. YouTube is also live now. Good. मनीषा ताई नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर.
पत्की सर नमस्कार. बैजू पीके म्हणजे ही कुठली शाळा आहे सर?
नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर. कुठली शाळा आहे ही? कारण इथे मला वर्गामध्ये जवळजवळ एक 30-40 विद्यार्थी दिसत आहेत.
ते लाईव्ह आहेत सगळे.
कुठली शाळा आहे सर ही बैजू पीके म्हणजे? भरपूर मुलं बसलेली आहेत ती. आवाज नाहीये त्यांच्या माईकला. आवाज नाहीये. ओके. पण जवळजवळ एक 30-40 मुलं आहेत. आदाते सर एका वर्गामध्ये 30-40 मुलं आहेत आणि बसलेले आहेत तिथे. पाटील मॅडम नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर. गुड मॉर्निंग.
नमस्कार. Good. YouTube live also is working now. Good. So आपण 12:05. We will start at 12:05. We will wait for 5 minutes. There are many students who are joining. So Google link we have not given to everyone. So a lot of people will be watching this later on the YouTube because today is Sunday. Many people has some program. So they will be watching on YouTube. So very few people only we have given this Google link. Limited people only.
मिलिंद सर नमस्कार. मनीषा मैम नमस्कार.
अरे
नागपुर. दीप्ति मैम. yes. Wait for
namaskar. Nice to see you after a long time.
Yes sir. I will start my video. Wait.
Yes. Start with a new mission.
Yeah, of course I will start with the mission.
Lot of excitement for the new mission.
Yes.
Thank you for joining.
I remember still those days, sir. It's a very glad. I'm very happy. The collaboration with you, APJ Abdul Kalam mission, Manisha ma'am and you. It's excellent. Life ever. Memories are lifetime.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. This time we will go to Kanchipuram, madam.
Yes, definitely.
Kanchipuram will go this time for launching.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much for sending me the Google link. Yes.
नमस्कार नमस्कार सर.
राजकुमार भामरे परभणी.
येस सर येस सर येस सर.
कशा आहात सर?
बस 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 छान आहे सर. थँक्यू थँक्यू. हा येस.
नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार नमस्कार मॅडम.
नूतन वगैरे सर जालन्यावरून.
मॅडम थँक्यू व्हेरी मच फॉर जॉईनिंग आफ्टर अ लॉंग टाइम. नूतन माडगे मॅडम आहेत, आपल्या कोर टीमच्या सदस्य आहेत. केएनपी कॉम्प्युटर इन्स्टिट्यूट मधून पण भरपूर मुलं जॉईन झालेले आहेत. ग्रुपचा ग्रुप आहे. आपल्याला जरी इकडे गुगल मीट मध्ये कमी विद्यार्थी दिसत असले तरी बघा एक क्लासरूम बघा. क्लासरूम मध्ये
विद्यार्थी भरपूर आहेत सर. विद्यार्थी भरपूर आहेत.
येस येस 43 विद्यार्थी तर या बैजू पीके. मला त्या शाळेचं नाव समजत नाहीये का क्लास आहे तो हे लक्षात येत नाहीये कारण आवाज नाहीये त्यांचा. त्याच्यानंतर केएनपी कॉम्प्युटर मध्ये पण बघा हे पत्की सर आलेले आहेत आता. आणि सर केएनपी कॉम्प्युटर.
येस सर.
पत्की सर आपलं स्वागत आहे.
थँक्यू सर.
पत्की सरांचा खूप मोठा सहभाग मागच्या वेळेला होता. पत्की सरांनी लॉन्चिंगच्या वेळेला परभणीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांचा एक मोठा फ्लॅग घेऊन मार्च केला होता आणि तीच व्हिडिओ क्लिप संपूर्ण देशात गेली होती जेव्हा आपण 100 सॅटेलाइट केले होते. तर थँक्यू सर.
नमस्ते.
अगेन वी नीड युअर सपोर्ट.
आजही परभणीतून खूप मुलं जॉईन झाली आहेत. शाळांचे सुद्धा प्रिन्सिपल जॉईन झाले आहेत.
येस 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 येस. व्हेरी गुड व्हेरी गुड. सर मी तुमचं नाव विसरलो. पत्की सरांबरोबर सर आहे त्यांचं नाव विसरलो मी.
भामरे सर.
मी फर्स्ट नाव विसरलं. भामरे सर नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. या वेळेला भरपूर परभणी मधून सहभाग असेल सर.
सर मी येतोय परभणीला.
वेलकम सर. वेलकम.
आय एम कमिंग टू परभणी.
स्वागत आहे सर. स्वागत आहे तुमचं.
यस सर यस सर यस सर. थँक्यू सर थँक्यू. तो 12-5 झालेले आहेत. आपण सुरू करूया का?
हो चालेल की.
सुरेशजी.
आणि
सुरेशजी.
गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल ऑफ यू.
अरे श्रीरंग सर नमस्कार. वाह
Thank you, Milind sir and Manisha Thai. You are rejoining a foundation. Thank you very much and welcome.
Thank you.
सगळं कलाम कुटुंबीय महाराष्ट्रातलं एकत्र बघून खूप आनंद होतोय आज मला खूप दिवसांनी.
त्याला वर्षभर गेले मध्ये. वर्षभर गेले मध्ये वर्षभर.
यस यस सर यस यस सर. सुरेशजी Can I ask Manisha Thai to open the program?
Come again.
Surejji.
I'm
Hello, Surejji.
yeah, I'm audible, Sajid. Tell me, go ahead.
Manisha should go ahead. Anandji is there.
Anand, are you there? No?
Yeah, yes.
Anandji.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Anand Malligam, Space Zone India che.
Focus 4 centimeter. Last time weight it will be less than 50 gram. This time weight it will be like less than 100 gram. So each of the picosatellites weight it will be like 100 gram weight it will be. That 150 picosatellites we are going to keep it in this rocket, and this rocket maximum altitude it will go up to like 10 kilometer to 25 kilometer according to our government permissions that the Director General of Civil Aviation, the Ministry of Defense, Airport Authority of India, they suggested some of the altitude. So in between this range, this altitude, we are going to use our rocket. And which type of 150 picosatellites we are going to use it? So last time we made it right. Last time 100 satellites with different 100 payloads. So this time we are going to keep a 150 plus 150 different payloads, like sensors we are going to use it. That will be detect like upper atmosphere of weather, like where is the ozone layer thickness, what is the content it's present in atmospheric altitude, what are the atmospheric conditions, it will be radiations level, humidity level, pressure, temperature, and the extra things we are going to think. After these missions, what we will do means in the last missions we successfully we launched it in Rameshwaram. Then now we are going to use it in Chennai, top of Tamil Nadu. So last time bottom of Tamil Nadu, and this time it will be like a top of Tamil Nadu. So we are going to use a rocket missions. After completing these missions, we are going to take over that all these satellites. Last time previous data also we are having. So this time after launching, we are going to detect that data, and we are going to make some comparison. What are the percentage of radiations from last Rameshwaram to here? What will be the difference? What is the accuracy? That all the details we are going to take over from that 150 satellites and one rocket. So in these missions, we are going to like almost like 5,000 students are going to participate in across India. So in this 5,000 students, we are going to select a top 100 students. The top 100 students, they are going to design and they are going to really work in a real rocket. So where we are going to work, it means it will be in Chennai only. In Chennai, in our office, we are having our rocket. In that rocket only, students going to assemble some of the components. We are not particularly giving that entire rockets. In a rocket, some of the components will be there, like avionics base system is there, propulsion system is there. On that propulsion system or avionics based systems, that are selecting top 100 students, they are going to work it in a real rocket. So this rocket, it will be like a reusable type. In India, everything they are also in ISRO also they are launching a rocket. Everything it will be like low Earth orbit, medium Earth orbit, highly elliptical orbit. They are using for it, and sounding rocket also they are using for. This is in first India's first private. We are going to launch it in upper atmosphere to study about radiations. These all those things. This rocket, it will be reusable. We can go it for like a 5 or 6 reusable launches. We can able to make it with this one rocket. So India is the first private rocket, and also like a reusable rocket. We are going to make it, that we will launch it in February 19, 2023. And this will be like a rocket explosive free. So after launching, we are going to use this type of parachute to open that parachute in a rocket system, because after deployment, it will be like a drag ratio, it will be very less, because our rocket, it will reach up to like a 10 to 25 kilometer altitude. On that altitude, after propulsion, its combustion is completed, it have to enter our Earth atmosphere. On the time, we have to release this parachute. If it's using this parachute, means that the drag ratio, it will be reduced, and because of the drag ratio, what will happen means like a safe land for our rocket. We have to make it for a reuse, right? For that reuse, we are going to deploy these parachutes, and it will be like a fuel, like a combustion chamber is there. So in this combustion chamber, it's like non-toxic and eco-friendly free. So because we are going to use it like paraffin wax or some of the wax fuel content with some of the mixtures. At the same time, we are going to use oxidizer as a nitrous oxide. It will be like a explosive fluid. It won't burst and it won't things, and it also non-toxic, and it will be eco-friendly. So these are the combustion chambers and the propulsion systems we are going to use it in our rocket. So this is our schematic diagram of our rocket. Here you can see it. This will be like a nose cone of our rocket. It will be like a nose fairing. It will be. This is the first section, and here this conductor is there. This will be the drag jet container. This drag jet means we are going to store this parachute, right? Here we are going to store that parachute. Here we are going to keep like that CO2 cartridge we are having. That CO2 cartridge, it are going to explode inside of this chamber. At the same time, it's going to release. This nose fire is going to release, and the time that parachute, it will come out from these compartment sections. And here it will be like a satellite section is there. So this section is there, right? Here we are going to keep our 150 satellites in these payload sections, and it will be like a payload fairing. And the main parachute compartment, one it will be for this rocket, old rocket, and another parachute it will for our all the satellites. Because the satellite also we want to reuse it. So for that satellite, we are keeping a separate parachute, and for rocket separate parachute we are keeping. And this will be like our hybrid motor. We are going to keep it. This is a combustion chamber. Here only we are going to store that nitrous oxide oxidizer. At the same time, like wax fuel solid state, we are going to make it out. This will be the hybrid propulsion, because solid propulsion means we can't control it, because after combustion it will move any directions also. This will be the fully controllable hybrid propulsions, because one propulsion it will be in a solid state, and another one it will be a gaseous state. We are going to use it. This will be the hybrid rocket motor, and this will be the nozzle section of our rocket. In this nozzle section, we are going to use a graphite material nozzle. So this is the convergent and divergent nozzle. So we are going to place it here. This is the overall schematic of our rocket. That overall length, if we say it means everything we mentioned it here, 2879 mm is there. Almost like a 3 meter height of our overall height of our rocket. This is the sections. In that segment, we kept some of the dimensions for nose fairing and the drop jet container for a parachute compartment and a payload base systems and the load from an airframe. These are all those things overall the dimensions of our things. These are the overall dimensions of our rocket is there. So overall length will be like from here nose fairing to the top to the tail section 287.9 centimeter, and overall dia of our rocket is 15.7 centimeter. This diameter overall circulation, and fin span is the 14.69. Fin means this is a thing. So it's coming like a 14.69 centimeter of each fin. And a empty mass without a payload means without a satellite, and inside any of the hardware like satellite and a combustion chamber, that the overall weight of our rocket it will become like a 22.2 kg is going to come after keeping our 150 satellites and the propulsion system, everything inside in these systems means almost it's going to come like a 45 to 50 kg is going to come. And average thruster in Newton, we are saying that Newton means almost like 1085 Newton. It's going to things. This maximum thrust is going to produce in the backside of our rocket. Here it will be the things, because inside here it will be the combustion chamber, nozzle section is here, and this section is going to produce the thrust. That overall thrust, average thrust, if we calculate in Newton means it's coming like 1085 Newton, and the total impulse of our mission is 8603 Newton per second. Total impulse it's producing, and this is our trajectory data of our rocket. So in the initial stage, time, altitude, velocity, then everything it will be zero, because rocket we are keeping in our launch pad. When we are giving a ignition system, everything will be zero. After ignitions, it's coming like a tower. In the tower, it will reach like a 0.38 seconds. Just 0.38 seconds, it's reached 4 meter altitude. At the time, velocity is 24.63 meter per second. Velocity on that speed, it's moving up that rocket, and burn out it will be like a 12.68 seconds. So within a 12.68 seconds, it's completely burn out. On the time, it's going to reach a 5 kilometer altitude. This will be in a meter. I'm 5,397. It's a meter. If you calculate it, convert it into a kilometer, means it's almost come like a 5.3 kilometer. On the time, velocity it will be like a 4 to 6 meter per second. In each seconds, it's going to reach 426 meter, and that within a 12.68 burn time, it's a seconds. And apogee maximum altitude when it's going to reach it means it's like a 46 seconds. In the maximum altitude 46 seconds, it's reaching a almost 9 kilometer, 9.378 kilometer it's reached. On the time, velocity it will be like a 203 meter per second, that velocity speed of our rocket. And the touchdown, after reaching that altitude, it's going to touch down our Earth surface. So on the time, the maximum seconds it will be 353. Students, please mute yourself.
सर्वांनी माईक बंद करा प्लीज.
माईक बंद करा. सुनील बरेरा, माईक बंद करा तुमचा. आनंद
Yes sir, yes
तुले
sir.
करणे का कटिंग? तुले करणे का?
मना चालू आहे तिकडेच घर घर नाही.
हो मला चालू आहे, बंद करा माईक.
नाव ना
नाव कोण?
फक्त मना चालू आहे.
नाव दिखाल पाहिजे ना.
लिंक ओपन करणार.
के दौरान मिलने वाले मैसेज शेयर करें.
We need to next time now we need to keep the all controls with us. Wait.
कैप्शन दिखाना.
Sunil Barera. Anand ji.
Okay, sir. So in that apogee is the maximum altitude our rocket is going to reach. So this will be the seconds, 46 seconds. So in this 46 seconds, it's going to reach almost like a 9 kilometer altitude. On that 9 kilometer altitude, on the time that the velocity it's like a 203 meter per second. In 1 second, it's going to reach a 203 meter. It's going to cover it. After the turn on, it could be like a touchdown. Touchdown means that rocket after reaching the altitude, it's deploying of our parachute, is all those things. Then it's going to touch on our Earth surface. On the time that the seconds, it will be like a 353 seconds. It's reached our Earth surface. On the time when it's we are using a parachute, on the time velocity will be like a 2.94 meter per second. This will be the overall trajectory of our rocket, and this will be the specification of our rocket. Our rocket is going to look like this only. So like a 3 meter height, it will be our rocket. So then outcome and benefits for students is there. So in that opportunity to learn and understand the rocket and the satellite technology. In these missions, you are going to get a complete knowledge about rocket and the satellite technology. So last time everyone knows about the satellite technology, like virtual sessions we completed. So this time also like rocket technology also is there, and easily understandable concept from our side. We are creating some of the animation videos also. In the animation videos, everything is like copyright free because it's created by ourselves. And that animation videos we will going to give it to students. They can going to listen it everyone. So everyone, they are going to listen it, and they are going to have things in these all those things, and we are going to give a training in designing and simulation training also to students. So in this one we will give our from our side, we will give that open source platform to you. You can freely design our rocket, these all those things, including a satellite also. After that one, you can go for like a simulation training, like a structural is there, thermal is there, so everything you can make it out. Then after that, a career opportunity for students. If we participated in this mission, means we are going to give in satellite training also. In this satellite training, and we are going to teach about the design software also. If you learn this design engineer, design software means in future you will become a design engineer. You can get a core field like aeronautical, aerospace, automobile, marine industries. Whose are a particular field they are working, that person's using that software only. That software knowledge we are going to give it to you. And the simulation software, if you keep on practicing, means you will become a simulation engineer. And the program also we are going to develop for this. That
Irshad, please switch off your mobile this mic.
Sir, yes, sir.
And then the top 100 students also going to participate. So them they are going to work it in a real rocket. They will become a future researcher and a scientist and a good entrepreneur in a rocket technology. And who's are like 5,000 students are there. And that students, everyone we are going to give a satellite technology. So they will become a researcher or scientist in the future, entrepreneur in the satellite technology. So this is the things. So this is our launch site map. So this we prepared from according to DGCA rules. So here it will be the launch site in Chennai. ECR is there. This will be the coastal region. So here we are going to launch our rocket from here. And this is the altitude, the latitude, longitude, and the easting and northing. These are the UTM coordinates. We mentioned it here. So here we are going to launch our rocket. And after reaching a 10-kilometer altitude, it's going to land it in this surface area only. So like east to west transfer, this is the east side, this is the west side. So from east to west, we are going to launch our rocket. So here it will be the landing site. This is the landing site, latitude, longitude, and according to UTM coordinates, these are all those things. From this distance to this distance, it will be like a 1.2 kilometer, maximum height like a 10 kilometer according to the things we measured. When we are going for that launching, on the time only we are going to make like a trajectory plan. So in this time, we according to a simulation, this is a data we are captured. When we are going for a real launch, on the time only we know which directions and where it will be landed. These are all those things. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. If you have any query, means you can ask us. Milan sir is there. He can transfer.
Yes. If you have any query, बघा ज्यांना ज्यांना प्रश्न आहे त्यांनी हात रेज करा. हँड प्लीज रेज हँड. वन बाय वन ओपन द आय विल अनाउन्स द नेम. मी ज्यांची नावं घेईल त्यांनी वन बाय वन सगळ्यांच्या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं दिली जातील. वन बाय वन. हा, सगळ्यात आधी क्षितिराज चौधरी. ओपन युअर माइक. कीर्तिराज चौधरी, सॉरी, कीर्तिराज चौधरी.
सर, आय वॉन्टेड टू आस्क की हे जे आता आपले सॅटेलाइट्स लॉन्च होत आहेत, हे सर्व स्टुडंट्स बनवतील की बनवलेले आहेत?
नाही, हे सॅटेलाइट हे विद्यार्थी बनवतील. 10 जणांचा एक ग्रुप बनवला जाईल. 10 जणांच्या ग्रुपमध्ये एक पिको सॅटेलाइट असेंब्लीचं वर्कशॉप होईल महाराष्ट्रामध्ये.
आणि हे वर्कशॉप साठी जे स्टुडंट सिलेक्ट करणार आहेत ते कसे सिलेक्ट केले जातील?
जे मुलं या प्रकल्पामध्ये रजिस्ट्रेशन करतील त्या प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला आधी ऑनलाईन प्रशिक्षण दिलं जाईल. ते ऑनलाईन प्रशिक्षण झाल्यानंतर त्या विद्यार्थ्यांना वर्कशॉपची जागा कळवली जाईल. तिथे सर्व रजिस्टर केलेल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी यायचंय.
आणि सर आम्हाला ह्या रजिस्ट्रेशन लिंक वगैरे बद्दल कसं काय समजेल?
आता मी याच्यावरती माझा नंबर सगळ्यांनी माझा नंबर मी सांगणार आहे. माझ्या नंबरवरती संपर्क करायचा. लिंक मी रजिस्ट्रेशनची पाठवेल. त्याबद्दल मी नंतर बोलतो, एंडला बोलणार आहे.
चालेल सर, थँक्यू.
ठीक आहे. नेक्स्ट सुशील गिरी. सुशील गिरी.
हॅलो सर.
सुशील गिरी, नाईस टू सी यू हिअर अगेन.
हा सर.
यू आर देअर. लास्ट मिशन मध्ये होतास तू. वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्ड केलेस. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन.
थँक्यू सर.
यस, प्लीज आस्क युअर क्वेश्चन.
सर तो जो रॉकेट बनवणार आहे तर त्याचं साईज काय असेल आणि वेट काय असेल?
ते सांगितलं ना. 22-22.5 किलो त्याचं वजन आहे. आणि उपग्रह फिट केल्यानंतर 45 kg त्याचं वजन आहे. दिलाय ना त्याचा चार्ट, आता सरांनी दाखवला ना.
सर ते जरा व्हॉइस
पाठवतो मी नंतर. गिरी. सुशील,
हो सर.
तुला पीपीटी पाठवेन बेटा मी.
चालेल.
ओके. नेक्स्ट यशराज गुंडेकर. यशराज.
हॅलो.
यशराज गुंडेकर.
सर आवाज येतोय का माझा?
हा, येतोय. यश, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन.
थँक्यू सर.
लास्ट मिशन मध्ये 5 रेकॉर्ड केल्याबद्दल सगळ्यात आधी तुझं अभिनंदन. आणि मी परत एका वर्षानंतर तुला इथं बघतोय. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू सर.
विचार, प्रश्न विचार.
Sir, you told us about the main parachute compartment. Can you tell that once again?
Anand sir.
Yes.
Question for you.
Yeah, sure, sir. I can make it.
Please.
So here will be like a main parachute compartment is there. That main parachute compartment we want to release it means this nose bar we have to release it from this airframe. So this will be the airframe of our things. This will be the nose cone section, and here we are going to keep our main parachute. Here it will be like a drug shed container. It will be the drug shed container. It will be like a carbon dioxide cylinder we are having, like a miniature 25-gram carbon dioxide cylinder. By using an altimeter, we are going to explode inside this rocket airframe. So after explode, here it will be like a shear pin. It will be that after releasing that explode, that shear pin automatically it will come out from these sections. Then automatically that the parachute compartment is there, right? It will come in this upward direction and it will start release that parachute. Did you got it?
Yes sir.
Yes, this is a point.
Thank you. Mukulwani.
Thank you sir.
Mukulwani, please ask your question. Mukulwani. Mukulwani. He is not there. Anjali Thakur, Adhiraj Thakur, please ask your question.
Yes, sir. My question was there that what is the total weight of that pico satellite, including the parachute?
Anand sir, for you question.
Actually, pico satellite weight it will be like less than 100 gram, like in between 80 gram to 100 gram. It will be that pico satellite weight. And you are talking about the parachute. That after keeping that parachute, the satellites in the rocket means overall weight it will come like a 45 to 50 kg. One rocket.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Suhaswani.
सर एक विचारायचं होतं की आपण लॉन्चिंगचं आहे ते 17 फेब्रुवारीच्या दरम्यान आपण सांगतो आहे. त्यावेळेला जर एक्झाम्स असतील तर त्याचं आपण कसं करणार आहे का, म्हणजे पुढे मागे होईल असं?
आता तर तशी 30 डेट फिक्स केलेली आहे, कारण त्याच्यासाठी बऱ्याचशा वातावरणाच्या कंडिशन्स असतात. थोड्याशा वातावरणाच्याही कंडिशन असतात, पण तारीख फिक्स आहे. आता आज तरी तारीख फिक्स आहे, कारण की इस्रोच्या अनेक शास्त्रज्ञांसोबत याच्यासाठी कोऑर्डिनेशन चालू आहे आणि मिनिस्ट्री सोबत पण कोऑर्डिनेशन चालू आहे. तर जर काही बदल झाला तर कळवेल नंतर. संतोष लोणे
एक्झाम 25 तारखेनंतर.
काय वाणी सर, एक मिनिट वाणी सर काय विचारत होते तुम्ही, काहीतरी राहिलं?
हा म्हणजे एक्झाम जी आहे ना ती 20 तारखेनंतर प्लॅन आहेत सगळ्या.
20 फेब्रुवारी नंतर.
हा 20 फेब्रुवारी नंतर. तर त्याच्या आधी होणार असेल तर काहीच इश्यू नाहीये, पण जर पुढे गेलं तर मग मुलांना म्हणजे बऱ्याच मुलांना ते डिफिकल्ट होईल असं.
पण असं आहे सर, लॉन्चिंगला प्रत्येक जण येण्याची आवश्यकताच नाही ना.
अच्छा, ओके.
लॉन्चिंगला कोणी यायची आवश्यकता नाही. ज्यांना इंटरेस्ट आहे ते, जसं आता आम्ही सर मागच्या वेळेला मिशन केली होती तर महाराष्ट्रातनं 380 विद्यार्थी जॉईन झाले होते.
बरोबर.
त्या 380 विद्यार्थ्यांपैकी 50-60 विद्यार्थ्यांचे पालक, शिक्षक आणि विद्यार्थी असे 135 जण रामेश्वरमला आले होते. बाकीचे कुणीच आलेले नव्हते.
अच्छा.
तर ते कंपल्सरी नाहीये, पण वर्कशॉप त्याच्या आधीच होऊन जातील ना सर. इथे जानेवारी महिन्यात वर्कशॉप होऊन जातील इकडे.
हा मग हरकत नाहीये सर. म्हणजे तेच एक क्वेश्चन होता. बरोबर. ओके, थँक्यू सर.
आता आर्या श्रीमाल.
हॅलो सर, जे वर्कशॉप महाराष्ट्रात होणार आहे ते नक्की कुठे असणार आहे म्हणजे, आणि कधी असेल साधारण?
महाराष्ट्रामध्ये वर्कशॉप कुठं होईल हे ऍडमिशन झाल्यानंतर ठरवण्यात येतं. मागच्या वेळेला आपण पुणे आणि नागपूर घेतलं होतं. या वेळेला जर जास्त विद्यार्थी असले तर ठाण्यात पण होईल, पुण्यात पण होईल, औरंगाबादला होईल, नागपूरला होईल. पण ते डिपेंड आहे की कुठल्या भागातनं किती विद्यार्थी जॉईन होतात. त्यामुळे वर्कशॉपचं ठिकाण मी आज नक्की नाही सांगू शकतो.
Okay, and my second question was, what will be the work of the satellites which we are going to launch?
Anand sir.
It's going to already previously we launched that 100 satellites, right? So that we launched in Rameshwaram, we are having that data, so that the same set of things we are going to make it in this satellite also. And additionally 15 more payload sensors we are going to keep it. We are going to capture that cosmic radiation, UV radiations. It will be like a pressure, temperature, atmospheric air qualities. It will be, and the germination of seeds. So lots of things is there. So totally 150 payloads we are going to keep it in the 150 satellites. After completing this one, we are going to for a comparison that the previously data under these upcoming data.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Atharva Kadam. अथर्वा. मुकुल वाणी.
येस सर, सॉरी सर, मागच्या वेळेला माईकचा प्रॉब्लेम होता. नेट सर, वर्कशॉप आणि ऑनलाईनचं लेक्चर साधारण केव्हा असणार? मागच्या वर्षी जानेवारी मध्ये होते 3rd to 7 मध्ये. या वर्षी मग तसं?
या वर्षी डिसेंबर मध्ये होतील बेटा
ऑनलाईन लेक्चर आणि वर्कशॉप.
ऑनलाईन लेक्चर डिसेंबर मध्ये होतील. वर्कशॉप पण आमचं चालू आहे डिसेंबर एंड पर्यंत संपवायचे. म्हणून 30 तारीख, या महिन्याची 30 तारीख शेवटची तारीख आहे जॉईन करायला.
ओके सर, थँक्यू सर.
नेक्स्ट शिवाली महाडिक.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, my question was, at what altitude this rocket means, if the rocket is having some free fall, and after that at what altitude the rocket this parachute will be fired? And second question is that at the final stage on ground or sea, how the rocket is going to be recovered?
Actually, what is the thing means that rocket it will reach up to like a 10 to 25 kilometer altitude. After it will enter to our Earth atmosphere, we are going to keep an altimeter on that. So already it's everything pre-programmed. So after in that altitude, our rocket it's reaching that 4 kilometer altitude. On the time only that the carbon dioxide cartridge is going to explode on that one. So on the time that the parachute is going to deploy to avoid all those things. And previously I shown that some data also like a launching site and a landing site, like a east to west. According to a previous data, we made these all the setups. When we are going for a launch, means like 1 month we have to make that identify that weather detections. We have to predict it, everything. We have to capture that the data of temperature, wind speed, wind directions, and humidity percentage, dew point, everything we have to capture. Then after that we are going for that trajectory plan. Then only we can able to know whether it's going for sea or land. Land means our coordinator, it will be there where it's going to land, everything exactly in the trajectory itself we know in the simulations. So we can keep our persons in the sea, side of our sea. And in case if our trajectory plan is going to sea water means, and we have some of the persons in near the coastal region, so they will help us to recover rocket and the satellite.
Sir, may I continue?
Yes.
Means while the mains are when they are taking the parachute jump, they at the final stage they means there is some impact on the ground. So I want to know whether that parachute is going to have some impact on ground or sea. And next question is that this is our first means we are taking first time part in this conversation. So we would like to have the details of the further your all these programs.
Okay, okay. I will show the things. Just a minute. So already I told, right, here it will be like a drug check container is there. Here only we are going to keep our carbon dioxide cartridge, and altimeter it will be. Altimeter, it will measure that altitude, where it's our rocket it's crossing, like which altitude each and every seconds it will detect, and it will store that things, values. After reaching it's in a 4-kilometer altitude, then only it's going to ignite that carbon dioxide cylinder. It's going to explode, it's going to release this one. This is the first stage. You are saying that whether it will be impact in the ground or not, like that. Here it will be, see that one. Here after using that parachute only in that velocity 2.94 meter per second it will be. Because of that parachute, that drag rate it will be lesser. Parachute is capable of load up to like a 60 kg. It can carry up to 60 kg, and we are reducing that drag ratio. Drag means it will impact that the percentage will be less in ground of our rocket. So this will be the things. Ground side, if you launch it from here, means ground side it will be that a maximum 2 meter per second only. In case if it hit in the ground also, where is the fault it's going to happen, means like a fin section only it will be the problem. But in a fin itself, we are going to use high quality materials only, like alloy materials only. So it's not a problem. Like a 2 meter per second means it won't be the problem.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Pooja Mohanty.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Sir, actually, my name is Pooja Mohanty, and I have a big query that I have joined right now. So, and by seeing the scenario of this meeting, I didn't get that what is happening and what is going on. I got the idea that something is going to be launched, a satellite kind of. So, can you tell me in a short that what is this going on and what space zone and everything?
This is Dr.APJ Abdul Kalam International Foundation. This foundation is of Kalam sir family from Rameshwaram.
Okay, sir.
We work for fulfilling the dream of Kalam sir in India.
Yes, sir.
In 2021, we have done a mission where we launched 100 femto satellites with the helium balloon.
Okay.
And that become the world record, Guinness record, India record, Asia record, and assist world record.
Okay, sir.
This time we are coming up with the mission where we are going to launch a recoverable rocket along with 150 pico satellites that we are going to launch in the month of February 2023 from Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu.
Okay, sir.
So all this is for this.
Okay, so how to join and the things is going to work?
Please note my number and Manisha's number.
Yes, sir.
Can I tell you now?
Yes, sir.
91 671
28
905.
Sir, your good
My
name
is
please?
Milind Chaudhary.
Milind Chaudhary. Okay, sir. Thank you so
I am
much.
from Mumbai.
Okay, sir. So basically Mumbai from where?
Thane.
Okay, sir. Same here.
Okay, great. So ask me rest of the thing later. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Now next Manisha Munde.
सर लेक्चरला कधीपासून जॉईन व्हायचं?
छान प्रश्न केला. लगेच 30 ऑक्टोबर शेवटची तारीख आहे. लगेच जॉईन करायचं. घरी आई बाबांना आता आई बाबांना माझ्याशी बोलायला सांगायचं. जर करायचं असेल तर मी बोलीन त्यांच्याशी बेटा. ठीक आहे. दीप्ती बिस्ट मॅडम.
Namaskar, sir. I have two questions. One is what are the age criteria to join the mission? The same criteria which we have joined earlier in the femto satellite, and what are the fee structure? And my second question is what is the detail reusable and pico? I didn't get the reusable word.
Madam,
for the rocket launching system. Yes.
I'll come to that.
Okay.
Reusable means last time we launched the satellite with the help of helium balloon, right? You were present for the launching.
Yes, sir.
This time, instead of helium balloon, carrier will be the rocket.
Okay.
This rocket is made by the students.
Yes.
100 top students in the competitive exam will make the rocket in Chennai.
Okay.
This rocket will carry 150 satellites.
Yes.
Once satellites are released in 10-kilometer range,
yes,
this rocket will come down.
Okay.
And we will recover it.
Yes.
This experiment is done by Elon Musk in USA.
Acha.
We are doing it in India.
Can we use that one again? Reusable when it means we can use that rocket again.
Again, next mission, again same rocket can be used.
Okay.
Madam, Kalam sir के student है. Kalam sir students are great. We wanted to create Kalam sir.
जरूर इस बार नागपुर से बहुत पार्टिसिपेशन होगा. एज ग्रुप 6 क्लास से 10
स्टैंडर्ड से onward.
Okay.
6 standard onward. And then there will be groups in even science student can join, BSc students can join, polytechnic students can join, engineering students can join. We will make separate groups of them.
Yes.
We will make, and the medium will be Hindi and Marathi and English.
Yes.
Marathi and English for Maharashtra combination, Hindi and English for the Madhya Pradesh combination.
And launching pad, last time we are launched that femto satellite from Rameshwaram, and this time you said that Kanchipuram, na?
Yeah.
Why the changes are made for this?
Anand sir.
Ma'am, actually, what is the thing means? Last time, according to government rules, we launched in Rameshwaram. That trajectory plans, everything we used, and we want to get a bless from our Kalam sir family, right? So that's why we made it in Rameshwaram, that missions. So this time it is in Chennai, near that Kanchipuram and Chennai. In between that, we are going to make it out.
Just I Google it and collected information about the Kanchipuram.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Now next is Santosh Lone.
Sir, rocket बरोबर किती सॅटेलाइट सोडणार आहे?
150.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Rajia Tadvi. अनुष्का बडकुले.
Good afternoon, sir.
मला वाटतं लास्ट मिशनला होती का?
Yes, sir, होती.
कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन, 5 रेकॉर्ड केलेत लास्ट टाइम.
येस सर, थँक्यू सो मच. सर मी काय म्हणते, सर्वांनी तर डाऊट क्लिअर केलेच आहे, पण मला एक डाऊट होता की यावेळेस मागच्या प्रमाणे फीचं स्ट्रक्चर आहे का काही?
हो, फी आहे 15,000 रुपये प्रति विद्यार्थी.
ओके सर.
कारण ही मिशन आहे ना, खूप कॉस्टली मिशन आहे, महाग मिशन आहे.
ओके, याची बेनिफिट्स काय आहे मग स्टुडंट्सला?
मला मेसेज करायचा, मी सगळं पाठवतो व्हॉट्सअपवर.
ओके सर.
माझा नंबर ऑलरेडी आहे अनुष्का.
येस सर.
हा, मला संपर्क करायचा. रजिया तडवी.
हॅलो.
हा, अथर्व कदम बोल.
सर तुमचा नंबर पाहिजे.
माझा नंबर सगळ्यांनी परत लिहून घ्या. मी एकचदा सांगतो, ज्यांना लिहायचं आहे त्यांनी माझा नंबर लिहून घ्या. 91 671 28 905. परत एकदा सांगतो, 91 671 28 905. ओके. ज्यांना काही क्वायरीज आहेत ना बाकी, त्यांनी मला संपर्क करा. फक्त टेक्निकल काही असलं तर बोला. यशराज गुंडेकर, तुला काही म्हणायचंय का अजून? तुझा हँड रेज केलेला आहे.
हो सर, मला विचारायचं होतं. सो दॅट the landing portion, it's wholly depend on the parachute, right?
बोल प्रश्न तर कर पुढे.
So means I was asking that that everything is depend on the parachute about the landing. So do we have any backup plan other than that? Means if we got any problem by chance.
That backup plan, everything in detailed training, Anand sir will explain. Not today.
Okay sir. Okay, no problem.
You are my old student. Please understand.
Okay, sir. No worries, sir. Thank you, sir.
Pandit, रेश्मा पंडित मॅडम.
एक प्रश्न होता सर की
सर्वात आधी मॅडम तुमचं अभिनंदन.
मॅडम नाही सोहम पंडित बोलतोय.
सोहम बोलतोय का? अरे सोहम, तुझं अभिनंदन.
थँक्यू सर.
सोहम, सर्वांच्या माहितीसाठी सांगतो, सोहम पंडित हा आमचा पुण्याजवळचा विद्यार्थी. ही इज अवर आनंदजी, ही इज अवर youngest student in the last mission of launching 100 satellites.
Okay.
And in Maharashtra, all media, electronic and newspaper media has covered him in the last mission.
Sounds good, sir.
And he is very innovative. And I personally visited his home, and he was making some helicopter that time. After our mission, he was inspired. And he has shown me lot of things that he assembled, he gathered to make his own helicopter. Okay. So he is there. He has some question.
Okay.
माझा प्रश्न असा होता की आपला जर एखादा सेशन जर मिस झाला तर आपल्याला युट्यूबला सोडता येईल का आपले व्हिडिओ?
होय. प्रत्येक सेशन. हा, येस, व्हेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. लाईक लास्ट टाइम, या वेळेला सुद्धा ज्यांचे ऑनलाईन सेशन मिस होतील त्यांना युट्यूब वरती सेशन वाईज सेशन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 असे आम्ही करून देणार. तुम्ही नंतर सुद्धा बघू शकता. आम्हाला लक्षात येतंय की आपल्याला शाळेचा सुद्धा लोड आहे, कॉलेजचा लोड आहे, इंजिनिअरिंगच्या मुलांना प्रोजेक्टचे लोड आहे. तर युट्यूब लेक्चर सुद्धा तुम्ही नंतर बघून ते अटेंड करू शकता. ठीक आहे?
थँक्यू.
Okay, now next is again Rajia Tadvi is there, hand raised.
हॅलो सर.
हा, प्लीज.
हा, मी जिया तडवी बोलते.
Oh, Jia, again. अरे, congratulations, you are there in the last mission.
Yes sir.
Congratulations. Anandji, she is from our Jalgaon district.
Okay, sir.
And she was our last mission.
Super.
I happened to meet her father in Chopra. हा, विचार, प्रश्न विचार. Ask your question.
हा, माझा प्रश्न असा होता की आपले जे सेशन्स असणार आहेत ते किती दिवस असणार आहेत?
How many days sessions are there, Anandji?
Sir, actually same 10 day sessions it will be. So according to that, what we are planning means online portal from a technical side. We have created our online portal.
Same way we're planning. We will come back to you with that brief. This time also, only hands-on class will be in physical. The other theory class will be in purely in digital. So we have come up with a new digital portal. So that exclusively for this mission.
I got it. I will explain in Marathi. जिया, या वेळेला डिजिटल मेथड आहे. तुमच्या वेळेनुसार तुम्ही सेशन बघू शकणार आहे. ठीक आहे?
ओके सर, थँक्यू.
ओके. आणि ऑनलाईन मध्ये पण तुम्हाला करता येईल. जर तुमचं ऑनलाईन चुकलं तर तुम्ही डिजिटल मेथडने जुने सेशन बघू शकता. ठीक आहे?
ओके सर.
मयूर लवाटे, बऱ्याच वेळ झाले हात वर आहे मयूरचा. मयूर लवाटे.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, your hand is raised.
Sir, actually my question is here. जे सॅटेलाइट तयार करणार आहे आपण 150, ते सॅटेलाइट पण यावेळेस जसं मागच्या वेळेस सॅटेलाइट तयार केले होते आपण 100.
हो.
तर यावेळेस पण आपण सॅटेलाइट आणि रॉकेट पण तयार करणार आहात का?
येस, या वेळेला आपण 150 पिको सॅटेलाइट बनवणार आहे, 150.
हा.
आणि आपण रॉकेट बनवणार आहे. पण रॉकेटचं प्रशिक्षण सगळ्यांनाच मिळेल. उपग्रह बनवण्याचं प्रशिक्षण पण सगळ्यांना मिळेल. पण वर्कशॉप जे आहे रॉकेट बनवण्याचं वर्कशॉप, तर याच्यासाठी जेवढे मुलं एनरोल होतील त्यांची ऑल इंडिया एक परीक्षा घेतली जाईल. त्या परीक्षेमध्ये टॉपचे 100 विद्यार्थी जे येतील त्यांना फक्त रॉकेट बनवण्याची संधी मिळेल. आणि रॉकेट बनवण्याचं वर्कशॉप हे चेन्नईला होईल. आणि चेन्नईच्या वर्कशॉपसाठी स्वखर्चाने जावं लागेल.
ओके, थँक्यू सर.
ओके,
थँक्यू सर.
ओके.
तर परीक्षा कधी राहणार आहे सर ती?
ऑनलाईन सेशन संपले की लगेच.
आजच?
नाही, आज नव्हे. अजून तर जे मुलं जॉईन करतील तर त्यांना प्रशिक्षण झाल्यावरती परीक्षा होईल.
अच्छा.
एक आनंदाची गोष्ट सगळ्यांच्या माहितीसाठी मी ऑलरेडी आता इथे सांगतो. माझं काल रात्री हाऊस ऑफ कलाम मध्ये कलाम कुटुंबियांशी आणि फाउंडेशनच्या ट्रस्टींशी बोलणे झाले. त्यानुसार त्यांनी मंगळवारी सायंकाळी 6-7 वाजतापर्यंत प्रवेश घेणाऱ्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना 10% सवलत दिलेली आहे. 10% म्हणजे या प्रकल्पाची फी आहे 15,000 रुपये. जर आपण मंगळवारी संध्याकाळपर्यंत ऍडमिशन घेणार, ऑनलाईन तुम्हाला लिंक मी पाठवेल, माझा नंबर सगळ्यांकडे आहे, तर तुम्हाला 13,500 रुपये भरावे लागतील फक्त. तर आपल्या जुन्या मिशनची मुलं आणि नवीन मुलांमध्ये पहिल्या 100 रजिस्ट्रेशन साठी ही सोय केलेली आहे. इंग्लिश मधून पण सांगतो. फॉर फर्स्ट 100 ऍडमिशन, हाऊस ऑफ कलाम हॅज सपोर्टेड and granted a 10% scholarship. So those who will join before Tuesday evening 8 o'clock, they will get 10% scholarship. It means that they are paying only 13,500. The link for the 13,500 enrollment is available with Manisha Tai Chaudhary. It is available with Milind Chaudhary. You can contact us. We will send you the link. Okay. Now any who is new question? Dipali Jhope. Dipali Jhope. दीपाली झोपे हँड रेज केलेला आहे. अच्छा नाही, चला. जावेद तडवी हँड रेज केलेला आहे.
हॅलो
जावेद तडवी.
हॅलो सर. हॅलो.
हा जावेद तडवी बोला. जावेद तडवी बोला ना.
हॅलो नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार नमस्कार.
आम्ही जवळजवळ 6 महिन्यापासून आधीपासून रजिस्ट्रेशन करून ठेवलंय जियाचं.
अच्छा, या प्रकल्पासाठी जियाचं ऑलरेडी रजिस्ट्रेशन आहे का?
हो हो, जसं जाहीर झाला होता ना प्रकल्प तेव्हाच आम्ही रजिस्ट्रेशन केलेलं होतं.
माझ्याशी नंतर बोला तुम्ही मग.
हो 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 चालेल, ठीक आहे. थँक्यू सर. थँक्यू.
दीपाली झोपे.
सर माझं देखील 8 महिने आधी रजिस्टर झालं होतं.
ठीक आहे, माझ्याशी नंतर संपर्क करायचा.
हो.
केएनपी कॉम्प्युटर पत्की सर.
हॅलो सर, केएनपी कॉम्प्युटर्स वरून आदित्य चौधरी बोलतोय.
हा आदित्य बोल.
सर मागच्या वर्षी जे आपल्या जे एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम सॅटेलाइट मिशन होतं त्यामध्ये मी सहभाग घेतला होता आणि त्यातील मी 5 वेगवेगळे सर्टिफिकेट्स वर्ल्ड रेकॉर्डचे उचलले होते. आता ह्या वर्षी माझी 12वी झाली आहे आणि त्यानंतर मी अब्रॉड एज्युकेशन साठी अप्लाय केलं होतं युरोपमध्ये, इटलीसाठी. आणि इटलीमध्ये टॉपचं कॉलेज युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑफ सॅपिएन्झा ज्याची वर्ल्ड रँकिंग 171 आहे. त्या कॉलेज मधून मला ऑफर लेटर आलंय आणि माझी तिकडे ऍडमिशन सुद्धा झालंय.
आनंदजी.
Yes sir. Yes.
He got the admission in abroad.
Okay.
He was our past mission student and he got a scholarship there because of our certificates.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
Sir, I've received scholarship of worth 7,200 euros.
Okay.
And my education will be completely taken care by the university. Even my accommodation and meals, every type of expense that I will be required will be taken care by the university.
Okay.
And this is all thanks to our last mission. And right now, right here in the meeting, I promise that, and I trustfully and very aggressively promise that even this year too, in this mission, I'll be participating with a huge team of KNP Computer Institute from Parbhani, and we'll be rocking it.
Sure.
Thank you.
Great.
Thank you for your support.
Miladji, one request. Can you just get me some testimony like that in a video?
Yes, yes. I will get it. Suresh, you talk to me later. I know him.
Right. Okay.
He is our student here.
Good. Congratulations, brother. Thank you.
Good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So now, क्षितिज चौधरी परत काय हँड अजून काही प्रश्न आहे का?
हो सर, एक प्रश्न आहे.
काय?
Sir, I wanted to ask Anand sir.
Yes.
Sir, as Milind Chaudhary sir said, there will be groups of aged means different groups regarding their different age. I wanted to ask the workload which will be given to them will be according to their age or will be similar.
Actually,
this I'll explain you. So far we not yet planned. It means the planning will be come out of the depends upon the registration, the age group. See, the minor students, they will not be part of that rocket project. So those who are going, they're not eligible for that assembling session. Some safety parameters is there. Okay, the senior students, after conducting one exam, so that they will be eligible for that rocket mission. So that process will be released later on. Okay.
And one more, sir.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask, as I have completed my 12th this year and taking admission for first year engineering, and I wanted to ask, am I eligible for it?
Yes, you are.
Even class 6th standard students, okay, they start from class 6th standard. There is no age limit this time. Even the professors, faculties, homemakers, anybody can join. Those who are really wanted to hunting and knowledge, so we'll be ready to support.
And one question to Anand sir. Sir,
Yes,
as you said, there is 1.2 or 1.7 kilometer distance between the landing and means launch and landing pad. So will there be any impact on launching pad after the land?
Actually, what is the thing means you shown that we shown that image 1.2 kilometer that landing distance from launch pad to landing site. These one according to a weather report previously we designed. When we are going for launch on the time only we have to get a new one, and after prediction only we can able to know. You are saying that it will be after landing, it will be any impact on a rocket or not like
While landing. While landing.
Yes, for that reason only we are using a main parachute. If parachute if we use means that drift velocity will be reduced. The drag ratio will be reduced means automatically the impact will be less only.
Okay, so thank you. If the time is over, this time meeting is very sharp, 1 hour only. So how many of you would like to join the project by Tuesday evening? You can turn on your mic and tell me. Raise your hand, raise your hand, start your cameras. Who wanted to join Tuesday evening?
Definitely, sir.
By Tuesday evening?
I will too try.
Mukul.
I will too try.
By Tuesday evening, who is going to join? Please say, I am.
I am, sir.
Great. Let us join and let us make the name of our country in the world, and you are part of our mission who will going to put our country at top level in the world. Okay, so this is this year 2023 team, and we want very Manisha Tai, can you conclude the session?
Yes, sir.
Please open your camera, Manisha Tai.
Yeah, I request all the people to open your camera, so we'll take one screenshot. Okay, thank you.
Open the cameras, everyone. Start the camera, everyone. Foundation is taking one snap of all of us. So please open the camera.
Anand, somebody can take some full screenshot so that
कॅमेरा सुरू करा. सगळ्या जणांनी कॅमेरे सुरू करा. आपण एक फोटो घेणार आहोत. आपण एक स्नॅप घेणार आहोत. अरे वा सोहम, तुला बघून काय आनंद झाला. वा वा, खूप दिवसांनी बघतोय बेटा तुला.
Not completed, sir.
Good.
Yes, we do.
आनंद, ही सोहम पंडित. सोहम बेटा हात वर कर. ही सोहम पंडित.
Okay. I saw
the younger child of our last mission, whole Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, so snap is done.
Yeah, done, sir. It's completed.
Okay, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Manisha Tai.
डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम इंटरनॅशनल फाउंडेशन कडून आपण या मिशन साठी या वेबिनार मध्ये सर्वजण सहभागी झालो आहोत. त्यासाठी तुमचं एकदा आभार. त्यासाठी मी मेघलिंगम सर, मिलिंद सर, कोर कमिटी मेंबर, त्यानंतर सर्व विद्यार्थी, शिक्षक, पालक या वेबिनार मध्ये सहभागी झाल्याबद्दल आपल्या सर्वांचे एकदम पुनश्च आभार मानते.
मनीषा ताई,
धन्यवाद.
तुमचा नंबर सांगा, तुमचा नंबर सांगा. मनीषा ताई, तुमचा
माझा
नंबर
मोबाईल
सगळ्यांना
आहे.
सांगा, लिहून घ्या रे. ताईंचाही नंबर लिहून घ्या, कारण मी बऱ्याच वेळा अवेलेबल नसतो. मनीषा ताई अवेलेबल असतात. ताईंचा नंबर घ्या. मनीषा ताई, नंबर सांगा तुमचा.
मनीषा ताई चौधरी. माझा मोबाईल नंबर आहे 8329707042. मराठीतून एकदा परत रिपीट करते. 8329707042.
8329707042. मी जर अवेलेबल नसेल, माझ्या व्यावसायिक काही चॅलेंजमुळे कदाचित मी त्यावेळेला अवेलेबल नसलो, तर मनीषा ताई आहे. मनीषा ताईंशी संपर्क करायचा आहे. मंगळवारी रात्रीपर्यंत 10% डिस्काउंट तुम्हाला फाउंडेशनने दिलेला आहे. त्यामध्ये एनरोलमेंट करा आणि मला कळवा. एनरोलमेंट झाल्यानंतर आपल्या पेमेंटचा स्क्रीनशॉट, आपलं नाव मला पाठवायचं, ट्रान्झॅक्शन आयडी पाठवायचा. म्हणजे मागच्या वेळेसारखा मी व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुप बनवणार आहे. त्या व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपमध्ये तुम्हाला ऍड करेल. ओके, थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. थँक्यू आनंद.
थँक्यू सर. बाय. थँक्यू.
थँक्यू एव्हरीवन.
चला, सगळ्यांचे मनापासून धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद सर.
थँक्यू सर. थँक्यू सर.
चला, परत लवकर भेटू आपण.
नक्कीच नक्कीच.
चांगलं घेऊन ठेवून चली बातमी, माझे डोळे नाही होत.